Hey everyone, today we're gonna be playing Subway Surfers. Guess was my first time, and yeah. Anyways, you guys, please subscribe and leave that like button, like it, super like it. My birthday is on September, yeah. Wait. Jump, and jump, and up. Okay, double jump. Ow! They see me roll up. They see me rolling. They hating, patrolling, fighting. They catch me riding other. They see me riding my skateboard. Booyah! Cyborg with a magnet. Watch this. That. And watch this. Does it kill me with one of those? Jetpack. Oh, it's spray can guns. That's a jetpack. That's funny and animated. Anyway, you guys, I haven't died yet, and we're gonna end it. Just kidding. Only when I die, we're gonna end it. You guys already know what I'm gonna do. I had to end it. You guys see me moving this? Probably do. Anyways, you guys, this has been a really short video, but don't forget to leave a like and comment what you think about this video. Cause yeah.